This right here is what a brand new mount for my dash cam looks like. This is what my old one looks like. And pay attention to the sun damage. That's all heat from being on the windshield and having it melt off. So I'm gonna mount it now with a piece of plastic and a sticky on the back so that the mount is connected to this plastic and not to the glass itself to create a little greenhouse effect. And we're gonna see how this works. Got our sticky on the back. We just need to place it where we want it. And now we're gonna stick it. Okay, so that is placed. And then we just gotta plug it in. And we're set. And hopefully this lasts. And after sitting in the sun for the entire month of August, it hasn't shown any signs of damage or decay.